All right, still with us, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaffer. Michael, I got to ask you, what was the purpose of calling Dylan? Again, we talked about the grandpa. We kind of figured out maybe it had to do with the knife. Not sure. The only thing I can think of is there at the end, he said that Sarah, the wife of the defendant, had a knife, which I think that's what I heard him say. What are your thoughts on that?
You know, I don't know why they brought the neighbor. I could only think that they're bringing him to speak to the state of mind of the defendant. But this was puzzling because this kid, if you look at his answers, he didn't even know anything. Like he said that I didn't know what was in his hand. Things moved very fast. I have no idea how they got there. Somebody punched me in the shoulder. They partially dislocated my shoulder. I can only assume that this is just more of a fishing expedition. It doesn't seem to me like any of these witnesses were deposed in advance of the trial, because I know that they weren't able to do it. So unlike, let's say, a civil trial, these witnesses, you're hearing this for the first time, both the prosecutors and the defense. Well, the defense has spoken to some of them, prosecutors have spoken to some of them, but they haven't really seen testimony until now. So this is more of a puzzling thing. I would put this in the category of it's not going to be helpful or instructive to either party.